Choosing the photos of the characters and the background is the first step in the process. It is recommended that you look for Japanese background photos on Google. The next step is to download photos of anime characters whose abilities you wish to compare and contrast. If you can afford any AI website, then you can generate the images and background as well from there. In the second step, you will need to remove the background from the photos of the characters. In order to alter them in editing software with ease, you can utilize the website background remover. Please watch the complete video all the way through. I am providing you with a treasure trove for those who are passionate about anime. The website animeworldtwixter.com, from which you can download incredible videos. One of the advantages is that you will never have to worry about copyright violations because you will be using short segments of smooth anime videos. The third step is to simply import all of the data and pictures, videos, and music into the King software. Place the background image in the first layer of the image. Place the anime characters that you have generated on the other layer upper layer. Text should be added to the third layer and percentages should be written on it. After the import is complete, you will need to add combo animation in the animation tab. For the left picture, you will need to use pendulum 1, and for the right image, you will need to use pendulum 2. It is necessary for you to take pictures of power levels of anime characters in order to provide a description of the power level that the anime character depicts so that viewers can provide feedback. You should include the music that you utilized in the video so that you may edit it with beats that will attract the attention of the viewers. The final findings are presented here. After that, you should export the video after warming the account and put some money into the bank. I would appreciate it if you would show your support for me by subscribing to my channel and sharing my content with your friends so that we can both grow together in life. Have a good day ahead.